Hello, welcome back. It's Cyrus, the Multimedia Specialist at West Los Angeles College. And now we're going to learn how to organize your Etudes course map using Coursemap Headers. So this is a great thing to do to help your students better navigate your Etudes course site. It's actually very helpful and very easy to do. Step one, open up your Etudes site. So I'm going to go down here to my trusty Firefox, the best browser in the world for Etudes. And I'm going to open up my Etudes. So here I am. I'm already logged in. And I'm going to pick the site that I want to organize my course map in. So I'll click on my site. Up pops the home page, and the second step is to click on the left menu here. I'm going to click on Course Map, and as you can see, I have a number of items for my students, and they're all in kind of a random order. I have these discussions and modules, I have a couple quizzes, and the syllabus is at the bottom. And as you can see, I have week 2 items that are above week 1 items. I got the quizzes are all in the wrong order, and it's a bit of a mess. I do have a student. Here's my student view. This is my test student, and as you can see, this is how it would appear to your students. This course map, the student would see extra credit at the top. It's closed. It opens April 1st. Then the Chapter 2 quiz, which doesn't open until the 14th. Then down the line, everything's kind of just jumbled and weird and not conducive to organized learning. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. We'll go back to the instructor's page and we'll fix it. So as you can see over to your far right, there's these little green plus signs, these little green buttons. And it doesn't matter which one you click on. Click on one and you can see when I just hover over it, there's a little message that pops up that says Add Header. So I'm going to click on one and I get this nice little header box to type in. So I'm going to click in the box and I'm just going to write week 1 in that first header. And then I'm going to go to the right again, add another header, click on a green button. And in this one I'm going to write week 2. So I have my 2 weekly headers here. And the next step is to just click and drag each item up under the correct header. So I think the first thing I want my students to see in week 1 is the syllabus. So what I'm doing, you can see as you kind of go down the list, there's a yellow, it highlights everything, highlights each one. So what you do is you just click in that yellow on the item and you just drag it up. You hold down the left mouse key and just drop it. Let go when it's under where you want it to go. And so I got the syllabus. The next thing I want them to see is this module. So I'm clicking and dragging it up. It's my How to Use Etudes module. And then the third item I want is the week 1 discussion. So I'm going to drag that up, put it underneath and drop it. And then last thing in week 1 I want them to do is the Chapter 1 quiz. And for week 2, let's give them the SlideShare module, followed by the week 2 discussion and the Chapter 2 quiz. So I have everything kind of organized here, and if you look to the right, you can see that the open and due dates correspond with the header. So week 1 obviously starts on March 7th and ends on the 14th. Week 2, I have some items opening on the 14th and closing on the 21st. So everything's kind of in order. I have this kind of strange one here, extra credit discussion, that opens on April 1st. So that's sort of needs its own header. Now if I were to just click the header now and add one for this extra credit, let's see, I'll show you what it does. Whoops. Now all the stuff that I neatly organized is kind of moved down. It's not where it's supposed to be. And that is because I did not click save. So save is your friend. Click on save often. So I'm going to go ahead and click inside that header for the extra credit, and I'm just going to title this one last week of class. I like that one. And now I'm going to go ahead and redo all of these. So let's put the syllabus under week 1, how to use Etudes module, and so on. Slide share under week 2, followed by the discussion, and followed by the quiz. And then this one ended up in the right place. So now I'm going to click save. And there they are, they're saved, they're in the right order. And let's go back to my test student, open up this one. So this is the before, this kind of mess, and now I'm going to refresh. And look at that, beautiful, all organized. The student can see, week 1 I only have 4 things to do. I'm not having a panic attack because it's all neatly organized in this digestible format. Very good. Good for you. So that's it. That's how to organize your course map using weekly headers. It's a good one. See you next time.